Hello there. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of indoor plants and exploring which varieties are perfect for apartment living. When choosing plants for your space, it's crucial to consider factors like lighting conditions, humidity levels, and maintenance needs. We've hand-picked a selection of plants that not only thrive in these environments, but also bring a touch of nature and beauty into your home. Let's start with the snake plant, a low-maintenance superstar known for its air-purifying abilities. Snake plants can handle lower light conditions and require minimal watering, making them ideal for busy individuals or those new to plant parenting. Their striking upright leaves add a modern flair to any room while improving indoor air quality. Next up is the spider plant, an excellent choice for beginners due to its forgiving nature. With their arching foliage and easygoing personality, these plants are perfect for bright, indirect light spots in your apartment. They also produce little spiderets, which can be easily rooted in water or soil, allowing you to propagate new plants without much effort. The peace lily is another must-have for any indoor garden. Known for its elegant white blooms and lush foliage, this plant thrives in low-light conditions and has a high tolerance for drought. Peace lilies are also excellent at purifying the air by removing harmful toxins, making them perfect for bedrooms or living rooms where you spend most of your time. If you're looking for something with a bit more personality, consider adding a monstera to your collection. With its large, distinctive leaves featuring natural holes, this plant adds a touch of jungle flair to any space. While it prefers bright, indirect light and regular watering, the monstera is relatively easy to care for and can grow quite large over time. For those with limited space or seeking something more compact, the pothos might be your new best friend. This trailing vine features attractive heart-shaped leaves and does well in low-light conditions, making it perfect for hanging baskets or small shelves. Pothos is incredibly resilient and requires minimal attention, so you can enjoy its beauty without feeling overwhelmed by maintenance. Let's not forget about succulents and cacti, which are excellent options for apartment dwellers due to their small size and drought-resistant nature. These plants come in various shapes and sizes, allowing you to create a unique collection that suits your style preferences. Just be sure to provide them with plenty of sunlight and well-draining soil. The Z plant is another fantastic addition to any indoor garden. Known for its ability to thrive in low-light environments while requiring minimal water. Its glossy leaves add a touch of sophistication to any room, making it an excellent choice for offices or living areas where you might not have access to ample natural light. For those seeking something with a bit more color and vibrancy, consider the calathea plant. With its striking foliage patterns ranging from bold stripes to intricate spots, this plant adds a touch of exotic flair to your space. While it does require higher humidity levels and bright indirect light, regular misting or using a humidifier can help maintain these conditions in your apartment. If you have pets at home, safety should always come first when selecting indoor plants. Thankfully, there are plenty of pet-friendly options that won't harm your furry friends if they decide to nibble on them. The Boston fern is an excellent choice for both its air-purifying qualities and lack of toxicity to animals. Its lush fronds also create a calming atmosphere in any room where it's placed. Now, let's talk about how incorporating these plants into your apartment can benefit not only the aesthetics, but also your overall well-being. Studies have shown that indoor plants can improve mental health by reducing stress levels, increasing productivity, and promoting feelings of happiness and relaxation. They also help purify air by absorbing harmful toxins and releasing oxygen, creating a healthier living environment for you and your loved ones. When it comes to arranging these plants in your space, there are countless creative ways to do so. Consider using hanging planters or wall-mounted shelves to maximize vertical space while adding visual interest. Grouping smaller plants together on coffee tables or desks can create a lush, jungle-like atmosphere that feels both inviting and relaxing. Remember that every apartment has its unique set of challenges when it comes to lighting conditions, humidity levels, and maintenance needs. We've shared some fantastic options ranging from low-maintenance snake plants to vibrant calatheas that can bring a touch of nature into even the smallest spaces while improving air quality and promoting mental well-being. So why wait? Start building your own indoor oasis today with these top picks. In conclusion, choosing best indoor plants for your apartment involves considering factors like lighting conditions, humidity levels, and maintenance needs. We hope this journey through apartment-friendly plant selection inspires you to create a lush and inviting home filled with greenery that enhances both style and serenity. Happy gardening! And if you have any questions or want more tips on caring for these plants, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for joining us today.